Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use BambooHR for human resources. So this video is going to be long, so without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser. So I'm going to do it. And this is the home page of BambooHR. Now, if you are new, you just have to sign up and you have to write your company's name, your own name, your email, and that's it. I've skipped that part because this video is pretty long, so I don't want to waste my time and your time here because that signing in part is very easy. They're just going to ask you some questions you already know the answer of. So there's no rocket science involved in that. So I believe when you sign in and write your company's name and your email and everything, it's going to land you here. And this is something very important. And if you own a business, it helps you in so many ways you can't even imagine of. So this is the home page. And this is my profile right here. And I am the CEO of my company. I chose my title as the CEO. So you can see that I have 155 hours available for vacation and I have 72 hours available for sick leave. Apart from that, I can add my bereavement days and my COVID-related absence as well. This is going to be updated within time. And apart from that, there are some other features as well that you can add later on as time goes by. And I can also request a time off. And this is the main newsfeed center where they're going to tell what is going on in my company. And you can see that Charlotte Abbott made a request, compensation request for Amy Granger, and Javier Cruz is requesting an update to their personal information. And you can see these are what is going on in the company. These are the updates of what is going on in the company and who's taking lunch break. It notifies us about almost every single thing. That's the beauty of this app, which I like the most. These are called announcements, just by the way. So if you come down, this is our team. You can see that all these are members of our company. And you can also open their profile as well. You can check them out. You can see their basic information and everything related to them. I'll do that later on. And you can see there's this option of headcount here. So if I click on it, you can see that in the year of 2023, my headcount was very low. It was 24. And now I have a high of 88. So my headcount is increasing within time. You can also analyze your headcount, the headcount of your company, how many people you had in the past and how many people you have right now. So you can see the headcount, and you can also see there are some very useful infographics right here that how many people were terminated, how many were hired additionally, what's the growth rate and the status and everything. So there's also an option of turnover here, and it's going to give you a very detailed information of the turnover ratio. If I come down, celebrations, you can see if an employee of my company is having a birthday, it's going to show here. This is very helpful because in some office cultures, you celebrate the birthday of every employee. So this is important that every employee will be notified and they can plan a surprise birthday party beforehand. So it's important that we should keep checking this out. And this who's out thing. Who's out is actually for that purpose if an employee takes a time out for that day. So it will be notified right here. For example, if I have an employee who's going out of city tomorrow for some personal reasons, then I'm going to get it right here that employee X is leaving tomorrow or employee X has requested time off for tomorrow. So moving on, you can see the company links are here and the benefits of the company are right here, how much benefits and how many forms of benefit they give, and time of use. This is also very helpful. And people without a pay raise, wow, you can get to know about those employees that are not given a pay raise. So all these are very informative, and they're very self-explanatory. So you can check these out. You can see time of request. I have one urgent request and 5 other requests if somebody is requesting a time off. And the incomplete trainings are right here. You can see that these trainings are still going on. They're not completed. And onboarding at Bohemian Tours starting Thursday. This section actually tells how many people are we onboarding or how many have we onboarded. So this is the basic homepage. And if I go here, people, now here you can see that all my stuff is right here. You can see their employee number, their name, their job title, their location, like which office they're working, their employment status, and the day they were hired. Now, for example, if I want to terminate an employee, like obviously after terminating, I would want their records to be deleted from my company's database. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and then delete employee. And then we're going to type delete here and that employee will be deleted. So that's how you delete an employee. And on the other hand, in contrast, if I want to hire, if I have actually hired a new employee and now I want to put the information of that employee into this database of my company. So I'm going to click here, new employee. And I am going to add all these details of this employee, and then I'm going to click save. So this is how they're going to add another employee to my company's database. These are very easy questions that they're asking, or easy blanks that we have to fill, like the employee number, first name, middle name, last name, and preferred name, birthday, gender, marital status, SSN, if we do have the SSN of that employee. Moving down, address, you know how self-explanatory it is. I didn't need to explain it. Compensation, like how they are gonna get paid, like twice a month or every other week. And if I go here to pay type, it's gonna tell me how we are gonna pay them, either salary, hourly, or commission. Now if I click salary, what's the pay rate and how much is the person paid, and the ethnicity of that person as well. Moving on, here we can write the contact information, including email and number of that employee, and the hiring date and employment status. Is the employee a full-time member or a contractor or a part-timer? And we have to write the job description of that employee that we're going to hire. So it's simple as that. Reports to means who will be the manager. Job title is the accountant, and department, obviously finance, and division is the division of our company, and location is also the location of our company. So if we click save, then we're going to add a new employee. So it's simple as it is, no rocket science involved. And this is the basic concept. Like I've told you the basic concept of this app, BambooHR. This was the basic concept. Now if we go towards hiring, so when we click hiring, here we can see how many job openings that we have, financial analyst, and the hiring lead is Preston Wilder, and status of the job post, is it open? We can change all this, and these are the positions that are being offered in our company. If there is some position that you want to open, like if you want to hire someone, you can write the job positions right here. Moving forward towards candidate, here you can see that we can see all the potential candidates for the job. Like I have James Garcia, and he applied for the job of a marketing manager. And yes, if we come here, we can also see the ratings and references of some of the candidates, which can be very helpful in selecting the right or the suitable candidate for your company. So this is as easy as it is. And these are the filters. If you want to filter the candidates, you can. And coming to talent pool, you can see we can use these talent pools and take advantages of it. Moving forward, if I go here on reports, you can see that a vast degree or a vast variety of options are given here in reports, and you can just open your custom reports as well. Asset department. Now, custom reports are obviously specialized reports for the people, for specialized people, I would say, in a specific department. Now, for example, if I'm the CEO and I have my friend who is the CTO of this company, so if they want to send a message just to the CEO or the CTO, they are going to use this feature called custom reports. So you can see that I have two custom reports, and one is assets by department and the other one is assets by employee. It's very important to send these kind of informations to me because I would love to read it and I would love to make changes accordingly. Moving forward, if I talk about files, so now we are here and you can see all these files are available here. We can download it and we can read it, or we can check it out to understand the bylaws of the company, which are very important. And you can also segregate these files accordingly. So this was it. And if I talk about this is actually my inbox. So as we are in the inbox, you can see how many people have interacted with us, and you can interact with them again. And you can also filter these listings according to these sub filters, which is going to help you a lot in the future. So this was it. I hope you find the video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.